Everybody, I'm here today to tell you how to maximize fuel economy. In this video, I'll be going over 8 simple things that will save you gas and therefore save you money by maximizing your fuel economy. Now let's get right to it. The first thing that will allow you to get better fuel economy is keeping your vehicle well tuned. Now that means doing your oil changes on time, making sure that you have a nice and clean air filter for the engine, and all of that stuff that is part of general tuning and maintenance of a car. You want to make sure that your engine is running nicely, because if your engine is running effectively and nicely, then that means that your engine will be using less gas. It's that simple. If you can imagine your engine as your body and the gas that it uses as the energy that your body uses, a well-tuned body will use less energy climbing up a flight of stairs than a body that is not well tuned, if you can imagine that, okay? So with that being said, the first thing is keep your vehicle well tuned in all aspects, okay? The second thing that will allow you to maximize your fuel economy is getting rid of unnecessary weight in the car, okay? Now that means that all of the extra stuff that you keep in your trunk, that you keep in your back seat, is weighing your vehicle down, okay? If you can imagine, once again, your engine as your body and the gas that it uses as the energy that your body uses, then if you're walking around with a 50-pound weighted vest on, you're gonna use up more energy than if you're just walking around with your regular body weight. So all of that extra stuff that you keep in your car is causing your car to use more fuel. So if you can reduce the weight of your car by getting rid of any unnecessary weight inside of it, you're gonna save on fuel economy, get better fuel economy, and save some money with your gas bill. The third thing that you can do to maximize your fuel economy is drive with properly inflated tires. Now, both overinflated tires and underinflated tires will actually significantly negatively affect your fuel economy. So if you can ensure that you're driving with tires that are properly inflated, then you're going to be in a great position to get better fuel economy and save some gas. What I recommend is every time you go to fill up your gas tank, check your tire inflation level, because at most gas stations there's going to be a tire inflating machine, and if your tires are low you can inflate them, and if your tires are overinflated you can also deflate them a little bit. The fourth thing that you can do to maximize your fuel economy is don't floor the gas pedal. When you floor the gas pedal, it causes your engine to rev up, rev up really high, and with that being said, all of that causes you to waste more gas. If your engine is revving at 2,000 RPMs, it's going to waste less gas than if your engine is revving at 5,000 RPMs. And when you floor your gas pedal, you're causing your engine to rev up as high as it possibly can. So don't floor the gas pedal unless you absolutely need to. And if you need to do it, just do it as necessary and then stop as soon as you can. The fifth thing that's going to maximize your fuel economy is don't leave your vehicle idling for long. Now, if it gets cold where you live, you might start your car and let it idle for 5 minutes or so to warm it up. Now, when your car is idling, you're literally getting no gas mileage. You're wasting gas and you're not getting any mileage. So you're getting the worst possible fuel economy when you let your car idle. So with that being said, let it idle for as little as possible. Most modern cars only need like 20 to 30 seconds to get warm enough to start driving, even when it's really, really cold outside. The sixth thing that you can do to maximize fuel economy is use cruise control when it is possible to do so. So if you're driving on the highway and there's very little traffic and you're going to be keeping a consistent speed, then you should use cruise control, because cruise control will save you a good amount of gas by simply keeping the engine revving at a certain level, okay? It'll keep the engine revving at that level because you're maintaining the same speed throughout the cruise control trip. So with that being said, you should use it as often as you possibly can, whenever it makes sense to use it. The seventh thing that you can do to maximize fuel economy is check your battery cables. Sometimes when battery cables are corroded, it causes the alternator to work harder, which actually causes the engine to use more gas. So something as simple as the batteries being corroded, the battery cables or posts being corroded, can cause the engine to use more gas. So just take a look under your hood and look for any corrosion. If you see corrosion, clean it up and you'll save some gas and get better fuel economy. The 8th thing that you can do to maximize fuel economy is combine errands into one trip. I've seen so many people do it, and I've actually done it myself, where I go one place, then I come home, I go another place, then I come home, I go another place another day. And if I just combined all of those errands, I will almost certainly save a good amount of gas, okay? Even if I travel the same distance, I'll save a good amount of gas by not continually starting and stopping my car as often. So with that being said, in this video, I've gone over 8 things that you can do to maximize your fuel economy, which will save you some gas, get you better gas mileage, and save you some money on your gas bills. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. What are your tips for maximizing fuel economy? Let me know down below. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.